So it's springtime and time to think about potting on some of our rhododendron seedlings. Now these are rhododendron seedlings that were first put into a seed tray 2 years ago, and they've been progressively pricked out from the seed tray and potted on into cell trays. And this cell tray, as you can see, has led to them growing really quite substantially. They've grown through the bottom of their cells. And this is a large leaf rhododendron, these ones on this side, Rhododendron souilenhense, which is a great rarity, and it's high time these were potted on. And so Ash is just going to lift out one of the seedling plugs, and you can see already that the roots have formed a mat right around the edge of the little plug pot it was in, and the plant, if left in that state, would have gone very chloritic and it wouldn't put on any decent new growth. And it needs to go on into a 1 litre pot now, and it may even develop a bit more and need to go into a 3 litre pot once it's put on its new growth. We just have to see how it grows. It's a slow old process growing rhododendrons from seed, and this will probably be the 3rd time that Asher has actually repotted this single plant. When you see it in flower, it's a labour of love which is well worth it. So we potted it on. We're expecting the new growth to come from the top. We expect that plant to double in size again. I probably need to go on into a 3 litre pot in the middle of summer, and we'll see the leaves double in size from what they are at the moment. The earlier in the spring, weather aside, that you can actually get your rhododendron seedlings potted on, the better plants they'll make by the autumn. And 2 pottings will hardly fit. It seems a lot of work for 1 plant, but it'll actually give you a much better plant than you would otherwise have. Being seedlings, they're not all quite identical, and this one here looks as though something might have got a bit involved with the cross. It's not exactly a perfect match by any means, but there the root structure is even more compacted around the edge of the pot, and there's an even more urgent need for repotting. Potting compost we're using is a mixture of bark and peat and perlite, so it's easy for the young roots to spread out into it, and once the roots have got through to the bottom of these pots, it'll be time to pot them on again.